Blessings of modern science and the ongoing development of technology are continuously changing our living standards. Over-ear wireless noise-cancelling headphone is a contemporary invention envisioned for worldwide music lovers. Beats by Dr. Dre is an eminent name in the headphones making industry, and the distinguished B sign of Beats headphones represents excellent style and comfort. The Beats Studio3 wireless noise-cancelling over-ear headphones are the most advanced version of the over-ear headphones. Today, we've chosen this bass-enriched, stylish and comfortable pair of over-ear headphones for you.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Beats Studio3 Wireless is the most stylish noise-cancelling on-ear headphones with excellent sound quality for music lovers. The users love the sound quality of the headphone because it catches the mid-frequency sound, and its bass and the heavy drum sounds are unparalleled. The Studio3 embedded the technology of pure adaptive noise cancelling, ANC, that dynamically blocks external noise. The headphone comes with a real-time audio calibration technology that ensures clarity, range and emotion. The Beats Studio 3 is developed with the famous W1 chips produced by Apple, which Apple uses in its AirPods. So, connecting the headphone to your device, taking a call, increasing and decreasing volume and changing songs are smooth like ever before. The Class 1 Bluetooth connectivity feature is the most advanced technology that offers seamless connectivity, reliable signals and a good range. The battery life of the Beats Studio 3 can last for 20 long hours with noise cancellation features turned on and 40 hours without it, which is much better than the previous version of the Beats Studio series. The charging technology is great. You can get 3 hours of battery life by charging the headphone for 10 minutes only. Beats is well known for its over-ear headphones comfortability and style, and the Studio 3 is not an exception. The pair of headphones are designed with soft ear cushions, and it remains soft even after extended use. The softness and amazing flexibility would help you wear it hours after hours without hurting your ears. Customers are the best reviewers, so it's time we analyze how Beats Studio 3 wireless noise cancelling on-ear headphones perform according to the buyers. It's found that the Studio 3 has received 4.5 stars out of 5 stars among 3,166 reviews on Amazon. The customers love the headphones because of their noise cancellation capacity, excellent sound and bass quality, and extended battery life. Here are some reviews from real users. One user has given the Beats Studio 3 5 stars and commented, "The Beats Wireless Studio 3 are the most convenient when paired with an Apple device due to the W1 chip. Its connectivity is so simple and stunned us with its ease. The sound is well balanced, but the headphones could be more comfortable. The battery life is outstanding." Another user provided 5 stars and wrote, "This pair is very comfortable on my head, and I'm able to wear them for hours without any discomfort. I like the fact that they're wireless, and if the battery is to die, you can just plug in the cable and keep on listening. They last about 22 hours with ANC on and nearly 40 hours without it turned on." Surprisingly, we found some dissatisfied customers. Among them, one customer gave the product 1 star and wrote, "They sound fine if all you do is sit on a couch. Any amount of wind, breeze causes distortion, and if you're in a car and hit a little bump, it makes it sound like the speakers are blown. Definitely not meant for an active person." That's all we have on the Beats Studio 3 wireless noise cancelling headphones for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.